today with Saturday Morning Makes and hashtag Two Crafters, One Design. You all know who Jill Norwood is by now. She's the host of Saturday Morning Makes, and so I'll have her link down below as well as UCYM Diva and Girliest Cards. So make sure you use those links. For our hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, we are using coffee. Now also, what we've changed a little bit with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, we are now going to announce what we're using the next week. So next week, we will be focusing on Peachy Keen stamps. So pull those out, whether you have them from way back when or now, pull them out and let us see your Peachy Keen stamps. I used this coffee die for this week. Like I said, we're having coffee. And so that's what I used. I picked this up from My Creative Time, and I did not have it, so I picked it up when she had it on clearance, and went ahead, got that, used that for this week. I am also using, from My Creative Time's newest release, I'm using the candy cane die, and I use that small one there. So that's what I use there. And I'm also using, for My Creative Time, Coffee Stain and Steam. And I just use, I think, this and this, just kind of around the card there, as you can see. And from Cards TV Stamps, I'm using Thanks a Latte. My Creative Time again, I'm using one of these little sentiment dies there. I think it's, I don't know which one, but one of those. And Infinity dies, I'm using that for the rectangle on the inside as well as the outside. And for this leaf die, I'm using this here. And then for these, I had some dies in my stash, so I just used them. And oh, can't forget, I'm using Cuddle Me Claytay's flowers. I love her flowers. You all should know that by now. Okay, so anyways, I added some stickles on top of the marshmallows there. And I did ink up with Tea-Dye Distress ink. The stickles I'm using are the Diamond stickles and Distress ink Tea-Dye by Tim Holtz. And I just use that to ink up these water stains, the coffee stains as well. And then there goes the inside. The paper came from Graphic 45, and I forgot to pull that out, but it's okay. But it's Graphic 45 paper. All right, so that's what I have. Make sure you pull out those Peachy Keen stamps for next week. All right, so that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.